Do something on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Do something!
Zay, travel. Switch, Badger go. Hey, bump left.
We gotta get a stop so we can go up again. You understand me? Hey, stop playing scared and freaking fly in there and make a tackle.
Hey, let's get a stop right here, D. Hey, Hashim, scoot to your left. It's coming right here.
You got me? Play sound, smart football. Let's go.
Good place. Yo. CG2, let's go, baby. Where's he at? Let's go. What's up, PBR? First touchdown of the day.
Hey, mic'd
We feel
up.
good, though.
Hey,
Mic'd up.
First time.
What's up, Paul Rudy? Made the field goal. We're on, baby.
Game situation. 36 seconds. We gotta get a damn stop. You understand me?
Let's go.
They get the ball at halftime. We have to get a stop. You understand me? Stay with your man.
Come on, man. All right, let's go. Get in there. Man up. Hey, you're man up. Stay in there. Enoch, split this. No. Hey, no. Hey, defense, shift left. Hey, good D. Hey, way to lock up. I tried to take you. They're not going away from there.
Yeah.
So you can bump out and take your angle. Yeah. You'll catch him from the backside.
Yeah, I got you.
I got it. Let's go, come on. Thank you, 6. Thank you, baby. I'll take it. Woo. 14-7, baby. Oh, 13-7 right now. And number 2's doing like short shit, so I didn't want Zeke was gonna have to run all the way out there.
Oh, that's fine.
But Badger got it from the back though.
That's cool. You cannot trust the way they're lined up with the heavy side. They're gonna kick it back the other way. You guys on the back side gotta be ready.
Let's go, D. Hey, this is crucial right here.
If they're in that bunch, you gotta bump everybody.
Everybody?
Yeah, we bump it.
Okay. Sky! Be the hammer, not the nail. Let's go. Come on, baby. Hurry up, let's go. Come on, Leo, let's go. Get him going. Touchdown, baby! That's what I'm talking about.